Guys, this is a Sears Tradition electric alarm clock. It's this clock I've wanted for a long time. This has a few interesting features. It has a light control, brightness control, and alarm volume. The light, I can't show you the control because it doesn't show up on the camera. Here's the back of it. Here's the sticker. This clock is made by Sunbeam. This is a clock I've wanted for a while. This one's a little bit more rare than the other one because it's branded. It's a Sears Tradition, not a Sunbeam branded one. This one also has something that most don't. It has a steady alarm and a repeat alarm. There's a steady alarm. There's the volume. The dial light only comes on when the alarm is on. You can't see the light. It's a little neon bulb, but it works pretty good. You can go really dim or pretty bright. A little bit distracting how bright it can go at night. It lights up a lot, surprisingly. It's set to steady alarm, repeat alarm. It's every few minutes. I think every 2 or 3 minutes. I don't know if it's gonna do it this time. It might, but I will leave the alarm on. There it is. And it'll do that again in a couple of minutes. It's branded Tradition. I've seen a few other Sears Tradition clocks. They're either made by Sunbeam or Ingram before McGraw-Edison took them over. Here's a little thing, you just spin it. Pull this out to set the time, and you turn it counterclockwise, and you leave it like that to set the alarm. You just turn it counterclockwise. Wood grain finish, black plastic alarm thing. On the steady alarm. It won't do that for a couple minutes. Whatever. Anyway, so that is my Sears Traditions electric alarm clock by Sunbeam. Thanks for watching.